Good morning, you buggers, and welcome back to a new series. And guess where I am at one freaking D after a million years, and it was chaotic, super chaotic. A lot of problem I faced because of the terminal change. My seats were all blocked by my very good friend, but just because I am an ex-airline member, so I knew what to do and how to go about it. They have not intimated us which terminal, if the terminal has changed and aircraft has changed, flight number has changed, everything is changed. No intimation, no mail, no message. So just because I have contacts, so I cross-checked and got everything done, but we are all spread in the aircraft. Because of that, the call center didn't assign us any seats, so we are all spread in the in the aircraft. So all done with the cribbing. Let's finish that. That's all a part of aviation. This all glitch keeps happening, can't help it out. What you can do is have a way out, and I did that for the entire 8+1 of us. And anyways, we are all heading to Goa, and our departure is at 8 o'clock, 8:10, and the time is 7:23. So we won't get to eat or so anything. We all going straight. Come on, Jaden, keep walking. See this chap, he's going on. I'm recording you. Come on. He and his bag. Santa. So yeah, so this is the just 1D has changed dramatically, and all our freaking time that we had to spend here and eat and enjoy is all gone down the drain. Now we are all heading to the gates.
14 is very far.
So 14 is very far, she's saying. We have to hurry up. We have a lot of time, don't worry.
7:30 boarding start.
Nothing happens. 7:30 it only starts. 7:50 it will close. So we have 20 minutes, and there are walkolators here.
You have to keep time for any miscellaneous.
Now on miscellaneous, all miscellaneous we have done. That we will do. I am going to do.
Earlier we get to
I am going to finish emptying my gut.
कैसी अपमानजनक बातें कर रहा होता है ये अश्लील है ये लोंडा
I have to empty my gut and then go ahead. What are you saying?
No, what I'm saying is the earlier we get into the aircraft, then we have to start asking people can they adjust their seats.
No, they can't adjust their seats.
Why they can't?
Because of the infant we cannot adjust. We all can adjust except the front guy. That we can't adjust because of the infant.
So you
Because-
saying the infant can only sit in front?
In that row, because
So whoever sits with the
we can
infant,
ask
we'll
passengers.
ask them. That's what I'm telling you. How silly are
You do that. I am not going to do that.
Why you won't do that?
Why? I'm not going to ask.
Then don't ask.
I'm not asking.
Fair enough.
I've
But
done
you
my
understood
thing.
now. You were not getting.
Anyways, she's just eating up my head for no reason.
Emotional, damn it.
I'm not going to ask anyone. Whatever seats are being done now, have been done.
You can readjust.
So we, oh shit, it's very foggy out, man. It's got very foggy out. So anyways, we are heading to the aircraft, and let's see what is stored for ahead. Anyways, there are the aircrafts. It's fully foggy. He's walking first time on this. He wants to go to the aircraft fast, he's saying. So this is the look of the terminal. It's all changed from what I used to work. Everything has changed, even the ceilings and all new. Everything is new. It's foggy out, so I don't think there is visibility, enough visibility. So we will all sit in the aircraft. Let's see if we get to eat something, have coffee or not something or no. Otherwise we'll go and sit in the aircraft and then do whatever we have to do. So see you in a while and keep enjoying this one. Cheers. So we are finally heading. The flight was half an hour delay. It's 8:10, and that's our aircraft, which we are going to head to. Little luggage.
फ्लाइट भी करता होगा ना
Oh, yeah. So this is our luggage. Boarding gate. Aircraft. We are about to set in. We are going to board the aircraft. Oh, you're slightly sipping the coffee. Caught her on camera. Bitter, nee, it's nice. It's mocha. His pants are falling. How's it? Bitter. There's
the hot chocolate and you say it's terrible.
terrible.
I didn't order.
Oh, good.
I didn't order it because of the calories.
झूठ बोलो बार बार झूठ बोलो
Not calories. She didn't want to give. She said no, 300 bucks. You know, na, ladies. Acha. Anyways, we are heading in. There are some ahead also. We're all in a big gang, all of us. Chalo, I'll catch you in a while.
Because we're going to sort out khichdi then.
A lot of handbags, so we're going to sort it out. Seats also there. We're going to get all our seats together. So see you in a while. Whoop, whoop. So we finally have made it on our seats. I managed Deanne and Jaden to come here. There was a foreigner who I transferred him right at the front here in his blonde hair with the cap, the guy. So I managed to do that.
Flashback.
I'm not going to do that.
Why you won't do that?
Why? I'm not going to ask.
Then don't ask.
I'm not asking. And Ryan and Kirti were here, but we have shifted right at the front to 9th row. That also was manageable. Mom and Dad are sitting on the emergency exit, so they'll have good room. And the rest is here, there. The rest are sitting here.
हमेशा आपकी और अंग्रेजी बोल सकते हैं, हम कुछ मराठी और गुजराती भी बोल सकते हैं। आपके सहयोग और विमानकर्मी दल के निर्देश के पालन से हम इसे
So we all set finally, and the aircraft is pushed back at 8:30, and departure time was 8:10. So 20 minutes delay is there, but he'll manage it in the air. So 2.5 hours. So here we go now. Zoom.
Stick was there.
Stick was there. Acha. You going to go to sleep? No? You've only slept 4 hours. You have to do Renu now, okay? Why? There's Sky is sleeping.
When Sky wake up, he'll sleep.
Acha. These are the sandwich we are peeling. I have already finished. She's feeding him and eating also. Because we didn't pre-book any meal on this flight. And yeah, yaar, these happy fairs na really headache yaar. They booked other people on our PNR. So 20 PR, 8 plus 1. There were 20 people, imagine, on our PNR. I don't know how they did that, why they did that, I don't know yaar. And it was a big headache because of that. So we are still discussing on that yaar. You know, we had time on our hand. And my experience came in use. Otherwise it was a big chaos, you know. And you know, while having a bath also, I was on call and all soap on my body. Then I had to bloody stop my shower and keep checking about the flight, what is happening, what is not happening. So yeah, this happy fairs is bloody ball crap yaar. You have to be very careful with that. Skyscanner, I don't know, they shifted us to happy fairs and booked our flight on that. It was a big disaster, but a close one, a near one. And we are still shaken up with that. We are still discussing on that, what would have happened. Oh, so we are eating and now we're going to go to sleep for a little while. And I hope this bug also sleeps for a little while. We're trying to make him sleep. So, see you in a while after a short nap. Woo. So it's 11:15 and we have finally made it. Whole way we were sleeping. All were knocked out. Jaden also, it was hard to make Jaden sleep, yes. But then Jaden slept off and we were happy. So as we got up when the flight landed, and this is the arrival. Our belt number is 1. We are going straight there. And then let's see, we're going to take a cab and go ahead. Let's take the trolleys, Kirti, from here. Come on, let's get the trolleys. Jaden is going to sit on the trolley. I'll make Poppu sit here. So Jaden is here. We're going ahead. There's Nakli Mehta. Come on. Go and get one trolley, bhai.
No, why? Ryan's pushing through.
Number 1. So let's see where mom, dad and all are. And let's grab our bags. And this is how it looks, something. Let's grab our bags and catch you in a while.
I've seen this.
These two just reached here. They came from another flight. But they said our belt is number 1, but it's coming on belt number 2.
How much luggage are
There you go.
maybe all the one?
Sama only come here. My suit is here, what I was worried about.
We have to go and take all of
Jaden,
it.
my friend. My friend. You said hello to my friend. Yes, we know he's telling
So this is the whole gang. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. There's 6. Uncle is going there with guy. These are entire luggage, all of us. We all come to party in Goa. So we are finally heading out and going to get the cabs. Let's see what is the process here of getting our cabs here, because big chores are here, what I believe they were saying, that they rip you off for the saman here. So let's see now again where's the stop here. We'll have to check from where to get the cabs also. Yeah, the North Goa airport, this is the arrivals. There was a little juggling of cabs. So 18, 19, 2000 bucks. All they were asking. At the end, we got it for 1470 per Ertiga. So good enough. Yeah, this bag is going on falling. See, this is the pickup point. Very nice area. All open. Kulla dulla. Very nice it is. See. Goa Airport North. Chalo, let's see. We're waiting for a vehicle. आगे की कार्रवाई आगे करते हैं और सब लोग मज़े में हैं, एक्साइटेड हो रहे हैं. स्टारबक्स में आधा घंटा अभी गुजारा है. और शिट ना, छोटी सिटी वेरी ड्राई है. यू नो ना व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दैट? बियर टाइम. चल, सी यू इन अ व्हाइल. या what I like here. You get to see all churches all the time. Nice, beautiful churches. See the flowers. Nice exit. सही है, बस गर्मी बहुत है. अभी नहीं पता लग रहा गर्मी का ज़्यादा. ये एग्जिट अपना बहुत सही एयरपोर्ट बना रखा है यार. So from here it is half an hour house where we are going. Never come this side, first time. Seeing all this for the first time. See. Nice.
1 hour later.
Jaden, where we are going? Where we are going?
To the beach.
Yes. So one is this car and one is this car, which we have rented for 2,000 bucks a day. 2024 model he's telling me, and car has already been banged up. I've recorded all this. These are both the cars. Filled 500 का fuel इसमें. गाड़ी सही चल रही है. सही है, हाँ? Scratched up. So this is our car for 2 days. After that we won't need it. Most probably if we need it, we'll get it. So we are going to which beach? Candolam. We're going to Candolam. It's 4:18 and we are heading now. There was beer lying, but I am not having beer just now because I'll have once and for all in the night. आराम से once we start it. नाइट क्या, शाम को यार. अभी क्या पीना है यार, सिर दर्दी हो जाती है. Yeah man. No, we can't leave at home. We'll see if he sleeps for 2 hours or something, then we will go. Otherwise we can't. So if we go there for the seafood festival, I'll show you. It's today, tomorrow and day after. 3 days. And my friend is performing there. Black Slade. Ronald.
Whenever you share your plan beforehand,
They didn't know. They're all sleeping here. They sleep here at this time. So, chalo. We'll see you there at the beach now. I'll show you in a while. Woo! These are the samosas, 20 bucks each. And Bhaiya is selling these bread also. Very nice. घर का बना हुआ. सब घर का. ब्रेड का क्या प्राइस है भैया?
130.
You want soft bread or what type of bread? Hard bread or what? Soft bread. Soft. एक soft bread दे दो.
कितना?
एक पीस.
एक पीस.
हाँ. नहीं पैकेट में डालो ना.
एक 5 रुपए का है.
कोई ना, और 5 समोसे भी तो लेने हैं.
130 होगा.
5 समोसे हैं.
हाँ. कौन सा समोसा चाहिए?
चिकन. UPI हो जाएगा ना?
हाँ.
And this is the place we have stopped, the Fisherman's Cove. And our car is parked here. And that's the lemon tree there.
हाँ, खा के देखो ना.
Yes, this is the place. We always come here. Every time we come to Goa, we come here and sit down and swallow food here. They have very nice food here, very nice drinks here also. So we'll have what, I'll show you what we'll have. Jaden, what you'll eat? This is sweet bread I bought. They were buying, so I said I'll buy it. See, this is it. Yeah, वो जगह. अबे ऊपर तो I've never sat. नीचे ही everybody sits. And music चल गया है अंदर हिंदी. Usually they play English and live, but they're playing Hindi music. I think because of the crowd.
Much later.
It's 6:30 and we have reached the beach. I think this is Kalangu totally. And see the amount of people here. Just see. You can just see the amount of people. And you know there's a problem here. There's signal problem going on here. So online payment is a problem here. I was trying for 10 minutes in the parking. $100 parking is here. Candolam Beach, sorry, Candolam Beach. It's Candolam. This is it.
And what are you drinking?
Huh? So these are the prices here. The beer is for $2.30. And imagine the juice here. $2.20 mixed fruit. Salad, इससे अच्छा I said, I came to drink juice only, I said.
Flashback.
Yeah, heading now, there was beer lying, but I am not having beer just now. Because I'll have once and for all in the night. आराम से once we start it. Night क्या शाम को यार. Because there's a lot of checking going on here in Goa for drinking and driving. So I said I'll have juice, but then I saw the price only 30-20 rupees. There's difference. I said balls wheel, I'll have beer only. And we'll enjoy the view here. There's not much view because there are a lot of people here, which there never used to be. And here the beer is come as I was talking. As I was saying, the beer has arrived. Feel what you want to feel. Nice, eh? Chalo, for a change, it's nice. View. Abhi nahi, yahan kha ke aaye hain. And yeah, the food was all full. We didn't enjoy it much. It was lacking of the kick. There was not much of masala in it. So, you know that chatpananis was missing. They ordered a biryani, chicken tawa biryani. That also was bland. I ordered mixed chow mein with like beef, chicken, prawns and egg, all bull. So then I had samosas packed from outside from a rickshaw, cycle wala with sweet bread. We enjoyed that more. That was much better. At only $20 a samosa. Very nice it was, yaar. Very nice, crispy, crunchy, thin it is. And chicken keema was there in it. That we enjoyed. So anyways, let's see now what is going to be next, because this is really crowded, this place, yeah. See at the back. All full. So chal yaar, we'll see you in a while now. Woo. recorded when she was looking here. That lady is wearing a Putin mask and she's come. Imagine she's roaming with a mask there. See if you can see.
मुझे बिगड़ रहा नहीं है ज़्यादा इतना आया अरे सर ऊपर आ रहे मेरे लोग हाँ इधर मत वीडियो लो इधर ही खाओ
पकड़ के तोड़ देगा निकल गया बहुत बड़ा है रे रात में होता है
So see, from there we came Kalangut, and this is the street, and we are all eating here at Alexandra. Nice place it is. We are all going to be seated here. All of this place is full of foreigners, full of foreigners. Even that place, you know, last time I came, if you all will go and see my vlog, I'll show you all, I'll put it up, a screenshot of that vlog. I was sitting there, full of foreigners, full. And now, see, all foreigners here. And now we have come here. We are all, the place is nicely lit up. See, Chamar Bagas.
ये बड़ी अच्छी बात कही आप
And we are going to be seated here. This is the place. Nice place. This is the seating area, and this is the bar, washroom, more places to sit. Let's see what we'll eat, and all, as I told you, foreigners. Chalo, let's see what we're going to eat. पर ये तो चीज पराठा ऊपर डाल दिया, अंदर होना चाहिए चीज। ये कौन सा चीज पराठा है? बीफ चिली फ्राई, बीफ चिली फ्राई, प्रॉन बिरयानी। व्हाट इज दिस? वो सच रोटी में
चिकन कीमा दाम
ये क्या है?
कैप्रियल चिकन कैप्रियल
चिकन कैप्रियल। साउंडिंग लाइक चिकन गैब्रियल। अच्छा बस चलो। There's cheese roti pizza, and there's roti here. This is the real roti. See, it looks like a very pizza.
What's that right?
Nice it is. Let's see. Let's see. ना रख दो खा लेंगे So this is all our dinner for today. Irish coffee also is there. My beer also is here. Chalo, let's dig in now. But Jaden is tired and cranky. Oh, he's hugging me. Chalo, let's start eating.